So good evening to everyone once again.
Good evening.
I hope and I wish you all are fine and good. So today we are playing the pair debate. Here we are playing debate to each other only. We have to cut and put the points of each other. And the topic for today is job versus business. Here I am in the favor of business and my opponent, my partner, he is in the favor of job. So let's get started with him.
Good evening to all of you. I would say that job is very essential these days because whenever we start our journey of the life, we do is job. Because if I say that after I have completed my education, then I want to start the business. So I would say that I have not met with the majority
So let
of the
me
market.
explain you what is business. So business is a one kind of a work where you have to do your own work. Means you are boss in your company, you are everything in your company, so you do your work. This is called the business. And
That's
why
what
it
I
is-
was saying about that. You are the boss in your company. Imagine that you have started something and directly you become boss. How will you be able to handle the thousands of the people? Can you imagine? Not. This
So
is
do
not
you think
possible.
in the starting of business we directly keep thousands of people? No man, we have to keep only 2-3 group of member, and there we have to control our whole business by them. And after that, if we find
So I'm
that,
saying, my brother, for whatever that you whether you kept two people, will you be able to manage their mind? Because you have to be smarter than them, and they may have done job and they have more experience than you. How you are supposed to be job boss of somebody directly? And I think so. If you are not experienced, no one wants to be under your thumb.
why not under my thumb? See, I'm paying salary to them. Whatever I want, get done by them, so I can get. This is not any big deal. And apart from this, we're talking about the smart. See, if I'm doing business, if I know that I'm the owner, so I have to be more smart because this is my company. Whatever loss I will see, so that will be.
See,
my
real
loss,
life
that
is
will be
not
my-
like scripted as movies. So don't imagine that you will take and you will be the billionaire overnight. This is not possible in right. Second thing, in job, what kind of benefits is that first you experience the thing of life experience. You learn life experience at the experience of the jobs and how things are done. Then you can handle any kind of things.
No,
in
you are
life.
just questioning by yourself and you are answering by yourself. As you were talking about the movie, and I'm not thinking anything. I'm thinking about my business in which favor I am. And apart from this, see, business if you do directly, so you don't need to suffer a lot. Why? So in the business, if you face and
Now let's take example of many million billionaires these days. Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani, Anil Ambani, and Gautam Adani. These days, this nation is buzzing with this name. So we see their history. First, they have started their things from the zero, and right now they are the hero. Right? Why so? Because they have gone through the reality. They met with they failed failure. They got reality, and that's how they have become. They haven't become
let's come
something.
to me as well, that as you were talking about this generation, let's come with this generation. As you know, the Shark Tank India, in that you get to know about the people whosoever being entrepreneur, they are creating their business, and for money support or for their financial support, they are taking help from the other entrepreneurs. For example, the owner of any business, means owner of any company, for example, owner of Oyo, owner of anyone. So this is how the things are going on, and that's
So if you go to Shark Tank, first you should have a great idea, then anyone else. Then that's how you will be given kind of capital. That's how you can start your business. Directly you can't go to Shark Tank. You can say that I want to do it, and they won't support you because they have thousands of the more than 1,000 lakh and crore people and
idea is
fees.
the only main thing in which, that's why I'm saying this. If you have ideas, so you can get the everything. I'm not saying that you should have the business, means I have read somewhere businessman, so now I want to become a businessman.
You
No,
are just picking
should
up that
have just-
you are taking easily. I think so. Idea is not idea. Idea is everything. If you have idea, you can create anything in your world. But if you don't have idea, you can't even do basic job. Basic means don't mind my words. Any kind of things. I am not getting my words. Cleaning up.
Let me take you the words. First of all, that the business, as I was talking about the businessman, seeing the businessman idea is only important. For example, if I want to operate any mobile phone through my mobile at home, but mobile phone is not in my hand, so this is called the idea. And on the
I repeat,
the people-
Dipanshu, idea is not easy thing. Idea is everything. And while looking at your face, I'm looking that you don't have idea. You just inspired to be a businessman, and that's why if you do it in a such a way, you will match.
See, you are the person who makes people fear about the ideas. If you don't have the good ideas, so don't take a step in the business field. No, if you take a step in the business field, so there you get to know how many things are there. You know about the failure. First person becomes failure, and then he or she gets success. Directly, if you think about the success, that could I get this success, could I get this achievement? So directly, I'm pretty sure that you cannot get this. And to be, for example, let's take the example of any MBA chai wala.
Let it be about it. MBA chai wala, he has got failed. Even whenever he gets his picture clicked with anyone, he gets failure. You were talking about MBA chai wala. Let's talk about it. Dolly, what's the name of him? Dolly chai wala. How he started? He started from the basic thing, and right now he's hanging around at Dubai. He is meeting with the biggest businessmen.
So can you clear me what is basic thing? That basic thing.
Basic thing is
business.
he has started.
That basic
He
thing
started his shop, and then he started being a businessman. Then
shop,
he's
so
created.
what shop are you talking? What shop is a job that I am at my home?
So owning shop, it's not a business.
No, it's a business.
Not at all, man.
Business.
I don't think so.
No, you don't think so. I don't care about this, but this is a business. If you do your own shop, if you are the owner of that particular shop, so this
If
is
I am
called
an owner of the kirana shop, would you call me businessman? No, because I am just owning a shop. This is not a business.
who thought
Business is that you have an idea, you are creating, you are being smarter than other people, then you are doing something. This is called the business.
No. This is businessman is called the person who fulfills the desire, the demand of the people, of the customer. If I think that in this place there is not any shop of chai, so can I open the shop of chai? So this is my idea. If you have this idea, so you can open this. You will be owner of that. No matter that your shop is of kirana or your shop is your.
Go to
own.
the entire India and see how many shops of the tea is here in entire world. I think you will find crore, more than crore could be. So thing is that
For everyone.